My name is Mohamed Frahat Foda. I come from Egypt. I'm an associate professor of biochemistry and molecular biology. My work is related to nanobiotechnology. Before I came to China, I received like an invitation letter from Birmingham University in the UK to go, and it's not an easy choice to a non-spoken English country, interacting with people, different kind of cultural background. Later on, I was planning to go to China for my further study. You can take this, I will take from the bigger one. First time I came to China was 2011, and I received the CSC scholarship from the Chinese government scholarship at that time to continue my PhD in the biochemistry. When I first came here, we tried to talk a lot about what can I do here, what kind of research that I gonna undertake in my further study. One part of my previous experience, which is related to the animal experiment, is very, very important. Use nanomaterials for the delivery of specific kind of genes inside and do some gene editing using nanomaterials as a tool as well. I realized that nano can go farther, so I started introducing nanomaterials to the research. A very interesting thing, we planted rice in the field. The climate changed now. One day is very hot, then another day is very cold. This have a very huge influence on the plant itself. By introducing nanomaterials and specific kind of genes, we can delay or early the flowering of rice to prevent the loss of a lot of yield. Egypt is like this. Different species have different, morphological phenotype. Yes, phenotype. We're also using nanomaterials to control some kind of flowering genes. We can use nanoparticles to control the flowering of or see the gene expression or the gene regulation. Anyone knows what is nano? How we can emerge in nano? Nano can be used in different kind of applications, not just only in research, in agriculture, in food science, in animal science, in life science, in different kind of parts. One by one, we'll come here, have a very quick look, okay? And tell me his feeling. My feeling is very good. When I finished and went back home for 3 years, then they reached out for me to apply for a PI here in Huanong. Before I come to Huanong and become a PI here, I'm already a staff member, full staff member in Banha University as well. And at that time, they asked me multiple questions. Are you sure you want to come back to China? Why you want to come back to China? These kind of questions are really, I didn't hesitate. I didn't think about to reply. Morning. Hello.
他是我们 super star， 他是同学们都非常喜欢的老师。
I love my mission as a teacher and also as a researcher and also guiding students as well, master and PhD students. China have a very warm, welcoming, open hand and transparency. It's very generous now. Nowadays, it's becoming more competitive, finding and coming and studying because China is developing so fast. In this case, I hope that we can introduce or present our countries along with Chinese